Good morning, children. How are you? So, welcome back to our English class. And this year also, I'm teaching you English. And for the newcomers, let me introduce myself. I'm Kavita Rani, your English teacher. So, welcome all of you to this year's English class. Are you ready? About the author Rudyard Kipling. He was born on 1865 and died on 1936. He was an English poet and writer. He wrote many poems and also stories. He was born in India, and his most famous, most popular work is The Jungle Book, which is a collection of stories on animal characters. In this story, The Jungle Book, you can see a lot of stories on animals. And his poems, If Mandalay and Gengadin are also very popular. They are also very famous. So the author or the writer of the story, The Jungle Book, is Rudyard Kipling, and our story, that is given in chapter 1, that is Mowgli and the Bandarlog, is taken from the story The Jungle Book. Dear children, let's start our class with a story. I know all of you are familiar with the story of Mowgli, and I think you saw the cartoons and also you read the cartoons of Mowgli. And you know who wrote the story of Mowgli? Yeah, it's written by Rudyard Kipling. And this story is taken from, that is, the name of the story is Mowgli and the Bandarlog. And that extract or the part of it is the part of the story and taken from the book named The Jungle Books. So get ready to uh, have a summary on the story. Listen to the summary of this story. Do you know who is Mowgli? I know you have seen the cartoons of Mowgli, but do you know who is Mowgli? Mowgli, uh, the villagers. He is a villager. He lived in a village, and the villagers went to see the forest. That time, the tiger Sher Khan and the hyena Tabaki, both of them attacked the villagers. So they were in fright and they ran away. That time, this young boy named Mowgli also ran here and there in search of his parents. As a result, he had lost in the forest, and a pack of wolves saw Mowgli, and they nurtured this young boy, and they took care of the young boy, and uh, Mowgli uh, became the part of the wolf family. So that's about the story of Mowgli, and other stories are there in the Jungle Book related with Mowgli, so that you can read, or you have to watch the movie, then you can get the story of Mowgli. So today we are going to study the part of the story in Jungle Book, that is Mowgli and the Bandar Log. Who is a Bandar? That is a Hindi word, isn't it? Bandar means monkey. Bandar Log means monkeys. So they wanted this bandars or monkeys. They wanted to uh, take Mowgli with them. These wolves adopted Mowgli, and he grew up with the pack of wolves. Pack of wolf means group. Pack means group of wolves. So as a result, he understood the rule of the jungle, and he became friends with the other animals also. And today we are going to study, or we are going to learn the story of Mowgli. Is only a part of the story taken from the story The Jungle Book, written by Rudyard Kipling. And a lot of stories are there in the Jungle Book. And when you get time, you can read the story, and also you can watch the movies there. Then cartoons are there, so you can go through them also. Here, in this story, it is about the Bandar Log who wanted to take away this Mowgli with them. Bandar means, it is a Hindi word, and it is that means Bandar means monkey. Bandar Log means group of monkeys. So one day they decided to take this Mowgli with them, because they wanted to include him also in their group. They decided to take Mowgli with them. So let's go through the story, and a lot of illustrations are given in that story in chapter 1. So let's move on to that. Okay. Now let's move on to the chapter, that is chapter 1, Mowgli and the Bandar Log. Now listen. Mowgli is a 7-year-old boy raised in the jungle by a family of wolves. Bagheera and Baloo are his teachers and best friends. They teach him the laws of the jungle and keep him safe from danger. One day, the Bandar Log take Mowgli away. The Bandar Log were disliked by the jungle people as they did not follow any laws. How was Mowgli saved? So let's see. Now tell me, what about the age of Mowgli? Tell me, how many years old Mowgli is? In this story, Mowgli is 7-year-old boy. And who adopted him, or who raised him? Tell me, who raised him? Yeah, he was taken care by whom? A family of wolves, or a pack of wolves. And who were his teachers and best friends? Yeah, Bagheera and Baloo. They were his teachers and best friends. And what they taught him? They teach him, or they taught him the laws of the jungle, how he should behave in the jungle, what all things he need to take care. All these things were taught by whom? His friends Bagheera and Baloo. And Bagheera, he is the tiger, and Baloo is the bear. And one day, what happened? The Bandar log, or the Bandar means monkey. Bandar log means group of monkeys. They had taken away Mowgli, and that time why? Because they thought that they wanted to make him the leader. So the Benderlog, they were disliked by the jungle people. Who were the jungle people? Yeah, the animals. So other animals disliked the Bandarlog because this Bandarlog, or the monkeys, they never like to follow the rules of the jungle. Jungle means forest. Now, let's see the story. The Bandarlog wanted to make Mowgli their leader. They thought Mowgli was very clever because he could light a fire. One day, they followed Baloo, Bagheera, and Mowgli till it was time for their midday nap. This Bandarlog means the monkeys. They wanted to make Mowgli their leader because they thought that Mowgli was very clever. And why they thought that way? Because Mowgli can able to light fire, or he can able to make fire. But what about the Bandarlogs or the monkeys or other animals? They don't know how to make light. Sorry, how to light fire. Only Mowgli knew how to make or how to light a fire. That's why the Bandarlog or the monkeys thought that he was clever. One day, what they did, one day, when uh, one day this Bandarlog followed Baloo and Bagheera and also Mowgli, and they were going to sleep. It was the time for their midday nap. Midday means afternoon, and nap means sleep. Nap means a short sleep. So this Bandarlog followed these three people, whom Baloo, Bagheera, and Mowgli, uh, till it was the time uh, to their time for their midday nap. They waited till they sleep. I am so tired, Baloo. Let's take a nap. Mowgli told to Baloo. He was so tired, so let them take a nap. Nap means sleep. Suddenly, Mowgli woke up with a jolt. Jolt means jerk. A shake. Jolt means a shake. The next time, the next thing he could remember was feeling hands on his legs and arms, and then swash of branches on his face. Hey, what are you doing? Leave me alone. So, while Mowgli was sleeping, he felt something on his body. He felt that there was a jerk, there was a jolt, and he felt that he was taken away by somebody. He could understood he can understand the hand the others holding him, and also that time then a swash of branches on his face. He felt that way. Swash means the sound of moving branches on his face. He suddenly woke up and asked, "What are you doing? Leave me alone." Means he understood that he was taken by somebody else. You see the picture here. Here, some monkeys holding Mowgli, and they were trying to taken away this Mowgli. Mowgli stared at his friends on the ground as Baloo woke up the jungle with his deep cries and Bagheera bounded up the tree with every tooth bared. Quick, Baloo! The Bandarlog have taken Mowgli. Bagheera has seen us. Now the jungle people will praise us for our courage and cleverness. So Mowgli was taken away by the Bandarlog and he was helpless and he stared at his friends who were sleeping on the ground and they woke up. He stared at them and Bagheera, he bounded up. He jumped up the tree. By seeing Mowgli was taken away by the Bandarlog, Bagheera jumped up on the tree and he showed his anger. And Baloo, he woke up the jungle with his deep cries. He cried loudly. Baloo cried loudly. And that time, here we can see the conversation. Uh, Bagheera, he called Baloo to wake up and let them uh, save Mowgli. By seeing all these things, the Bandarlog they thought that they were clever and the jungle people will praise their courage and cleverness because they cheated the tiger and also the bear and had taken away whom Mowgli. Bounding and crashing and whooping and yelling, the whole tribe of Bandarlog swept along the tree roads with Mowgli, their prisoner. The Bandarlog had their own tree roads, up hills and down hills. They could easily travel by these even at night. So these Bandarlog, they uh, they had taken away this Mowgli. They carried this Mowgli through the uh, tree roads. Why it is said that way? Monkeys, they were jumping from one tree to another tree. They are always moving from one tree to another tree in order to travel. So the the real roads to them are the trees. The trees are the roads to them. That's why it is said that they swept along the tree roads with Mowgli, and Mowgli is the prisoner to them. They kept him as the prisoner because they carried him among the tiger and the bear. They can easily travel through their tree roads. There is some raised portion and also some plains on the way. Means they can climb the trees easily, and their roads seems like uphills and downhills because of the height of the trees. Their roads are mentioned that way. Really, it is not the roads, but it's only the trees. They can move through the trees. I need to send back a message to Baloo and Bagheera, for they have been left far behind. Mowgli thought that he wanted to send it is essential to send a message to his friends Bagheera and Baloo because he was so far away from them. Mowgli knew it was useless to look down, so to find help, he looked upwards and saw Ran, the kite. He was keeping a watch over the jungle. Ran dropped down to a lower height and found that the Bandarlog were dragging Mowgli through the treetops. He heard Mowgli calling out to him, "We are of one blood, you and I." Say, Mowgli was taken away by the Bandarlog. He was carried away by the Bandarlog. He was dragged away by the Bandarlog. That time, Mowgli thought that there was no use to look downwards and ask for help. So he decided to look upwards, and there he saw Ran. And Ran is the kite. Kite means what? The bird. This bird, and he decided to ask the help of Ran. And Ran was uh, flying here and soaring here and there to watch the jungle. And by seeing Mowgli, Ran dropped down. He soared almost near to Mowgli, and he sat. He saw Mowgli was dragging by the Bandarlog, and Ran heard Mowgli calling out to him, "What? We are of one blood, you and I." Means we are like brothers and sisters. So save me. That's what he meant. So let's stop this today, and we can continue the remaining in the next class. And now you can watch a short video on this. Okay, here it is.
Mowgli and the Bandarlog. Adapted extract from the Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. The Bandarlog wanted to make Mowgli their leader. They thought Mowgli was very clever because he could light a fire. One day, they followed Baloo, Bagheera, and Mowgli till it was time for their midday nap.
I am so tired, Baloo. Let's take a nap.
Suddenly, Mowgli woke up with a jolt. The next thing he could remember was feeling hands on his legs and arms, and then a swash of branches on his face.
Hey, what are you doing? Leave me alone.
Mowgli stared at his friends on the ground as Baloo woke up the jungle with his deep cries, and Bagheera bounded up the tree with every tooth bared.
Bagheera has seen us. Now the jungle people will praise us for our courage and cleverness.
Quick, Baloo, the Bandarlog have taken Mowgli.
Bounding and crashing and whooping and yelling, the whole tribe of Bandarlog swept along the tree roads with Mowgli, their prisoner. The Bandarlog had their own tree roads, up hills and down hills. They could easily travel by these even at night.
I need to send back a message to Baloo and Bagheera, for they have been left far behind.
Mowgli knew it was useless to look down, so to find help, he looked upwards and saw Run, the kite. He was keeping a watch over the jungle. Run dropped down to a lower height and found that the Bandarlog were dragging Mowgli through the treetops. He heard Mowgli calling out to him,
We are of one blood, you and I.
Words and their meanings. Midday nap. Midday nap means afternoon sleep. Jolt. Jolt means jerk. Swash. Swash means the sound of the moving branches. Bounded up. Bounded up means jumped. Whooping means shouting loudly. Of one blood means brothers. So write all these meanings in your notebook and study very well. Your today's activity is reading. You read 5 times the lesson I taught you today. And we will have a reading session during live class. That time I will call you for reading. So you practice it very well, and also you study the meanings, and sometimes I will ask you to say the summary also. So anyway, read it many times. That's your today's activity. I hope all of you understood today's class. So if you have any doubt, contact me. Till we meet in the next class. Bye.